Hi friends, welcome or welcome back to Dating My Budget. My name is Nita and I'm on a journey to becoming a financial warrior. I'm giving myself financial options with the help of zero-based budgeting, the cash envelope system, and savings challenges. And today we're about to get into another episode of Wait a Minute Wednesdays. And on Wait a Minute Wednesdays, we roll 2 dice. One 6-sided dice tells us which challenge to stuff, and the 8-sided dice tells us how much to give that challenge. And so we have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So $28 that we're working with today. So let's see what the dice have in store for us today. They run the show. Okay, so we got challenge 3 to get 3. And I did rearrange I didn't keep them in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I switched them around. Challenge 3 for 2. So let me just give that 5. Y'all, we starting off wrong again. Starting off wrong. Challenge 3 for 7. Okay, I'm gonna roll these separate. Okay, challenge 1 gets 2. Challenge 3 again. Taking all the cash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have $5 left. Let's see if we can not get an IOU. I'm gonna roll the 8-sided die first. Okay, that's not bad. I can pay that up. Challenge 1. Wow. Let me grab an extra $1. Actually, what I did is grab a 5 and put the 5 ones back. We can use those for next week. Okay, so hated it for everyone else. Nobody else. Just wanting challenge in one first position and third was the only 2 players this week. Or yeah. So challenge 3 got $8. And our winner here, 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. $20. Okay, well, we get to color in a decent amount. So let's see. Ouch. That was 8. So we'll color these 3. 3, 3, and 2 for 8. All right. I had $1 left over from last week. We're going to leave that there since that's the odd number. And we can color in 4 on this challenge. I was coloring like that to prevent the little stop marks, the dots at the end. So just trying to color in continuously. I know it's sped up, so can't wait to see it. Yeah, I need to condense this. I think I'm gonna do that as soon as I finish this video. And I can have all the ones I need for next week. But that is it, you guys. We allocated $28 to 2 challenges. How sad. But I hope you all have a wonderful week. Happy hump day, and I'll chat with you in the next one. Bye, you guys.